Hello everyone. My name is Piel. I completed my secondary school certificate in 2020 from Bogora Jilai School, Bogora, achieving a golden GPA 5. Later, I have completed my higher secondary school certificate in 2022 from PM Model School and College, Bogora, with a golden GPA 5. Currently, I'm pursuing my undergraduate studies in software engineering at Daffodil International University. I am passionate about technology, problem solving, and creating innovative solutions that make a real impact. Academic background. During my studies, I have gained strong skills in programming languages such as Java, PHP, SQL, and JavaScript, with a particular focus on object-oriented programming and design patterns also. I have also worked on database design, normalization, UI, UX projects using Figma. My skills and strengths. My strengths include analytical thinking, structured problem solving, and effective communication. I am fluent in both English and Bangla, which allows me to adapt my work for diverse audiences. I enjoy preparing formal presentations and technical documentation that are clear, concise, and engaging. In addition, I successfully completed a robotics workshop which enhanced my practical knowledge of automation and hardware integration. My projects and experiences. Some of my recent projects include designing a mobile app interface for traffic flow analysis and congestion prediction, as well as implementing Java OOP exercises involving inheritance, abstraction, and polymorphism. These experiences have helped me refine both my technical and teamwork skills. My goals and aspirations. My goal is to master advanced software engineering concepts and contribute to impactful projects in the field of technology. And I am eager to apply my knowledge in real world scenarios, continuously learning and grow as a professional. My another goal is to be a cybersecurity expert. So thank you for watching my video review.